Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem gamepad or controller not working issue. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search. Before that, you are suggested to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you need to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Apart from this, there are some other troubleshooting tips to follow. First, clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam, click on settings. Now click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache, confirm it, log into Steam, and after that check whether controller is working or not. If you using wired plug for your controller, then unplug and replug it. Use big picture mode for Resident Evil Requiem game. So you can go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it, enter it, and after that try to play the game and then exit big picture mode, and after that try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.